Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to ollie.
First, you bend your knees slightly like you were going to jump. You put your back foot on the tail and your front foot in the middle of the board. You pop the tail and then you slide your front foot to the nose. As you slide your front foot forward, you want to jump. This is what levels the board out. So what you want to do is bend your knees slightly like you're going to jump. You jump. As you jump, you pop the tail and slide your front foot forward to level the board out, and then you land. So again, I bend my knees slightly, and as I jump, I pop the tail, slide my front foot forward, and level the board out. So again with the setup, I put my back foot on the tail, my front foot in the middle of the board. I bend down slightly and get ready to jump. I use my force to jump up. I pop the tail and slide my front foot forward, leveling the board out to land. So some pointers I wanted to mention is you want to pop the tail a good amount. When you slide your foot forward, that's when you should be jumping. It's a timing aspect and it takes practice to get used to the ollie, but the more you practice, the more you get used to it.
Thank you for tuning in. If you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and also leave a comment below for any future suggestions on videos. I'll be posting videos every Monday, so we'll see you next time.